Here is how you can make a Discord server with 5 simple steps that looks very aesthetically pleasing. Now, here's the first thing. Do not skip any of this video. Make sure you watch to the end because there are very important steps that you got to follow. First, you want to go ahead and create your server. And then now you want to go ahead and put your name and photo. Now, this is actually step 1. So remember, name, here's how you should make it. 2 to 3 words, concise, and the first letter of each word should be capital. For example, I'm going to be doing something like Ontario car spotting. That's how it should look. Only 2 to 3 words, and it should be very general, but you should know what you're going to be talking about or what the server is going to be about. Now you're going to upload a photo. Make sure it's related to the car spotting or, for example, whatever your niche is. For example, I'm going to be doing a car photo, and that's step 1. Now here's step 2. First of all, you're going to be doing your categories. So go ahead and delete your channels because you are going to be creating new ones. Go ahead and delete the channels by clicking edit channel and delete. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and edit these because they, first of all, you want to make sure whatever you do at the top or whatever you do first is going to be what's going to show up at the top. For example, the top is usually the announcements. So go ahead and rename it to announcements. And then you also should add an emoji. For example, I'm going to be doing like a speakerphone because that makes it look a lot better and it makes it look easier to remember or see. And there you go. Now you have all 4 of them here. That's your step 2. Step 3 is just as important, but remember, all of these steps are very important, so stay tuned. Go ahead and do your channels now. So now under announcements, you're going to do different things. For example, we're going to be doing, let's say I'm a content creator. I'll be doing like videos or uploads, something like that. We can do uploads like this. Remember, something that looks just like it. We can do something like this. That's going to be my uploads. Now let's go ahead and create a new channel. Remember, you should only have 2 to 3 channels per 2 to 3 channels per category. So go ahead and create all your categories now. I just completed all of my categories and channels. Now remember, try not to have it to go under. So try not to make it so you have to scroll. That's one thing. Second thing, try to keep them all balanced. You see I have 2 in each one, but 3 in another one. Try not to have like 5 and then 1 and then 2. That's something else. Now the next step is just as important. Now we're going to be talking about roles. Now here's what you can do. Roles, you need them for your channel to be able to distinguish different people between different people. Create one by going to the settings and clicking on roles. Now create a role. For example, you should do verified because this should be for one. This is for people who just joined. They should be able to get a color just so they feel, so it looks different and it's a different feel. Create the verified, click cosmetic, and then try and include everybody. If you need, you can use a bot for that, but we'll get more into that later. Now that you're done your roles, remember you can have as many roles as you want. Try not to exceed too much. So try not to have a bunch of useless ones. Try to have one for like verified, one for moderator, one for close friend or something, one for meet organizer for this example. And then try not to have too many. Maybe 5 to 6 would be good. Now, remember, next step is bot. And like I said before, you can use a bot to have roles. For example, announcements, you can do roles here. And then you can say, you can have a bot assigned to this category. What they will do is they will type a message, and if you react to it, you can get a certain color, or if you react to it, you can get a certain thing. But this is for a certain bot that you're going to have to open up yourself. Now, the last one is bots, so let's go ahead and talk about a music bot and a dank memer bot. So, for example, music, you should have at least these 2. So, dank memer and music should be 2 of the important ones. So go ahead and open up your Safari and search up dank memer bot or dank meme bot and then Discord. Go ahead and click on it. It should be this first link. Click on invite now. And then now you're going to sign in. Go ahead and add to a certain server. So my only server that I created. Allow it to do everything. Authorize. confirm you're a human. There you go. Now when you go back to your Discord, he's right there. So remember, he's in the upload section right now, so you can set him up, and you can do that later. It's very straightforward. And then there's also a music bot, so you can research which music bot you want, but there's actually a lot. So go ahead and search whichever one you want, and that's exactly what you do. And then make sure you assign them to the music role. And that's actually basically it. Just make sure that you add more channels as your channel grows, as your Discord server grows. But other than that, you're basically done. Thank you for watching, and thanks for staying to the end.